Alright everybody, got an unboxing video for you here today, and I am going to be opening it because I'm going to be opening it like this because there's personal information all over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open it on this side and slide her out. And like I said, we can all thank Jeremy for this box. And if you want to win any one of these lighters, you'll have to call him. I mean, you'll have to subscribe to his channel. Sorry. Oof. Man. Okay, this box is huge. This is Jeremy's stuff right here. There's a Zippo display. There is... This tin got dented in the process. There's Zippos. There's his Zippos, a Zippo Slim and a regular Zippo, a Zippo display. This is for bad bow tie. A display, a collectible display in the lighter holder. This is probably random for me, but we'll read the note first. Okay, so here's the note. Everything in here is pretty much knockoff Zippo or a vintage old lighter. I assumed you didn't have one of the collector tins, but if you do, then you can give this one away. It is supposed to have 10 of the old plastic Zippo cases under the plastic display holder, but you can put anything under it to support it to make it a display. Okay, perfect. I do not have one, so I'll be keeping this and not giving it away. This will be mine. There were a couple other things I was going to throw in, but it is a 4-pound weight limit. The tin brought it up to 3 pounds 14 ounces. Haha. I guess that gives me an excuse to start building another package for later. Hopefully others will find some of this as cool as I do. Sorry there's not as much Zippo stuff in this one over a damn 4-pound weight limit to Canada. Fellow Zippo enthusiast, Jeremy, Zippo Daily Fix. Check out his YouTube channel. Remember, like I said, Jeremy gave me this box of lighters so I could fix up and do giveaways with them. And so if you want to win any of these, you're going to have to like, subscribe, comment on Jeremy's videos. Zippo Daily Fix. There'll be a link in the description, and you can check that out. This is from him, and clearly he said there will be another one. So let's flip this box over. Poof! That is a cool tin. Wow. Wow, that is a cool tin. Oh, man. Look at that. So I'm definitely going to use this as a display. That's a 100%. Absolutely love this tin. That is cool, man. I really like this. Jeremy, thank you so much, bro. You are the man, dude. You are the man. Okay, so before I'm going to move bad bow tie stuff, let's start opening. Let's see the first one here. What do we got? Okay, this one is Zippo. Oh, it's a satin chrome, tape shut, with a note in it. I always like the satin finish ones. Don't know if you had one. Took the insert out because of the damn 4-pound weight limit. He had to take the insert out because of the 4-pound weight limit. That's fine. I don't mind. And you know what? It's funny because James sent me 2 satin chromes. Those were the only ones I had. Bad Bow Tie won the face reveal Zippo. And, James wanted his done on the other satin chrome, so I didn't have a satin chrome for myself. So now I do have one to customize for myself. Thanks, Jeremy. I'm very excited about this, actually, believe it or not. Just a regular old satin chrome. And I do like the satin chrome finishes. Ever since I see how they looked when I designed my etchings on them, I'm actually very impressed with them now, and I will be using a lot more of them. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Whew. I don't know what he wants me to open first. Here. Okay. So, there is some lighters in here. Oh, it's a bag. Okay. So, open these up. So, first thing out, we have a knockoff insert. Perfect, though, because I can use all these pieces, and I will. I never mind getting those. Oh, more knockoff inserts. Oh, okay, wait. I think these are the inserts. I think these are the inserts to the lighters. all knockoff, it appears. Okay. All right, not one of them is a Zippo. Good to know. Okay, is there anything else in here? Oh, dropped one on the tile there. Okay, I'll put those down. There is a note. There is a note. Let's see what it says. Inserts. It says inserts. Good to know. Okay. I'm going to move these. Just give me a sec here. Move that to the insert pile. Get rid of some of this garbage. Oh man, these are blocks. These are full blocks. These are full blocks of lighters. Oh man. Let's see what we got here. Okay. What do we got? Oh, cool. Emblem. Laugh now, cry later. It's got it. Oh, these all have inserts in them too. Oh man, I'm gonna have a bunch of extras. Okay, so this is a good lighter. The lid's good. Not too much wobble. Close is nice. It's got the emblems on it. Pretty cool. Pretty damn cool. Gonna do something to that. Someone's gonna win. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's the California one. One of those knockoffs. A newer insert in there too. Pretty good. Hopefully someone from California wins that. I'll leave this one as is. I might do a border. Actually, I might do a little etching on the border. That's about it. But I'll probably leave the California thing on there for the giveaway. Oh, knockoff Budweiser. Oh, brand new insert in there too. Oh man, that's cool. I actually might I might actually do that one up just for a friend of mine. He loves Budweiser beer. And do him up his own little lighter. Okay, so here's just a brushed brass. So it looks like the star ones. But it says Kron Imperial. Cool. What does that say? Japan. Okay, so that's from Japan. Sorry, I'm piling all these lighters right here. Oh man, he wasn't lying when he said there's a box of lighters in here. Oh, a crown. A crown from Korea. That's cool. Oh, what does it say on it? Harley Davidson motorcycles. And it's actually got a super tight hinge, man. Like, wow, that's tight. Oh, cool. I can etch over that. I can etch over that, make completely custom. So I was going to win that. Oh, there's a note in here. These are just knockoff Zippos, nothing too special. Some have nice designs or emblems attached. And that is true. Cool knockoff Harley Davidson Zippo style. Nothing wrong with it though, man. And look, you get the hollow rivet with it. How cool is that? And this camel lighter, you know, I have the orange one that's like this. I actually really like this one a lot. It is in brand new condition. It's never been used. It looks like this is pretty cool. I'm not going to do anything to it. Someone's just going to win that. I might put a decal on here and put my emblem on. That's about it. But that'll be a cool lighter for someone to win. Oh, Winston. Winston Firebird. Brass. Definitely do something with that. Definitely be able to do something cool with that. I'm glad that is there. That'll be an experiment lighter on an experiment I have coming that I want to do. So that's perfect. Oh, look. What are the Joe Camels on the piano knockoffs? Look at that. A black mat knockoff of the ones on of him playing the piano. That's a famous Zippo one. Oh, man. That's pretty sick. Man, I'm going to have a ton of flints when I take all the flints out of all these. I'll show you. I'll put a picture in the video. I'll edit it in there after. Okay, so a highly used tight ass hinge though. ATC from Japan. Cool. So that'll be another etched project, one to finish up and do work on. And we got, oh, it looks like a copper lighter. Oh, with the skull, 1990. Oh, this is an old one. These are like the ones we used to get. China. Oh, sorry. China. Yeah, the skull and the cigarette. That's pretty cool. I'm going to see what I can do with this. I'll probably do something to it. Obviously, I'm going to do something to every one of these. And then the last one. Oh, this is a cool one. This is a cool one. Oh, there's the other side. Yeah, I like that one. What is it? Oh, another blank. Oh, another barely used, brand new Zippo. It feels nice, too. These emblems on here are all really heavy, too, so adds weight. All right, one more package here. Oh, man, let's see what this is. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is a needs lift arm spring. Okay, that's simple enough. Cool. I'm going to fix this. I'm going to fix this. Someone's going to win this. One of those lift arm lighters. It's got tape. I want to leave that on there to remind me. That's why I'm not taking the tape off that one. We got another Zippo style lighter from, what does that say? Wind. Oh, a Ronson. Nice. A Ronson Wind 2. Oh, I got two of these now. I got the other one right here. But I don't have the case right by me. Limp Wick sent me that one, and this one is from Zippo Daily Fix. Sorry, I was reading something. I wasn't thinking of the name. I knew the name. I was reading something. Okay. Oh, look at this plastic thing. Old Script VU. Yeah, I remember these. All right, well, I'll have to do something with that. I'll have to look into it, see what I can do. Oh, look, Marlboro one. Cool Marlboro. Made in Korea. Barely even used, too. Fairly new. Used, though, but good lid, good hinge, everything like that. This is going to be cool for somebody to win. I'm sure somebody will appreciate that. That'll be a cool giveaway. Oh, look at this little tiny camel lift arm. Oh man, that is cool. That is cool. And it's actually like a petrol lighter too. Like this is a legit with lift arm, chimney lift arm on the wick. Man, that's cool. I like that. That's a cool little piece there. Like look how small it is. Like I could probably take that and like, I don't know, I got some ideas. But that's cool, man. I'm probably keeping that. I don't care what anybody says. I'm keeping this little guy. Who knows? We'll see. I don't know. I'll probably keep it, though. Thank you, Jeremy. Probably keep it. And then there's these, too. These are really cool. I don't have one. I've seen these around a lot and really wanted one. I really like them. Cool little insert design. Cool little lighter and all. Polish that up. She's cool, man. I like it. And then, what does we say? Super cool. Comes apart. You discovered this one's cool stuff. Yes, this is lift arm one. Hinge style. Let's see what he said. Let's see what he said fully. We'll open this one. The way this one comes apart is super cool. I will let you discover this one's cool stuff. Oh, okay. That's what he said. All right, hold on. And what is this? Bentley. So it probably needs a flint of some sort. Oh. Alright, I don't want to do this on video because I don't want to lose anything. And that's cool lighter, man. I don't have one of these cool little lift arms like that. Well, I got the camel one, sorry. But it's not the same style lift arm. It's different. This one actually comes with original packaging. Man, there's still more in here. What do we got here? Lid is part of the insert. Oh, cool. The lid is part of the insert. What image does it have on here? Insight in Mind Advertising. Oh, it is. Look at that. The lid is attached to the insert. Oh, cool. It's got a spring down here to keep the... It's got a spring in there to keep the insert in there. Oh, that's cool. I can't see exactly how the mechanic is. That's cool lighter. Oh, that's a beefy... That is a very... It looks like something solidified in there, but that's a very beefy flint wheel. That's going to be cool. And I can do something to it too, right? For winter. Thought this one was really nice. Is that a Bronson? Is that what it says? I can't make that out. Yeah, that's a cool little idea of a slim, eh? Little replica slim, why not? Ronson, I believe. And what does this one say? What does this one say? This might be the most well-made non-Zippo I have ever seen. Great artwork. Feels good in the hand. And he is right. That is great artwork. That's a full metal plaque on the front, soldered on, or however they did it, glued on. It is well-made Zippo. Very beefy. Well, not Zippo. Non-Zippo. Very nice, man. Oh, dude. So, that was everything in the box. A whole box of lighters. Just a bunch of cool memorabilia, bunch of cool stuff. And the best part is he gave me all these to do work on and fix up and do customs and or just do plain giveaways with them. So we're going to do a giveaway tonight. Oh, sorry. You won't see this video tonight. Okay. What you don't know is there's going to be a live stream the day before this video comes out. And we're going to have it all. Just like look at all these lighters he sent in for you guys. Like these aren't for me, guys. I just want you to know these aren't a gift for me. Jeremy sent me all these in for you guys. He sent me all these in to fix up and customize and give out as prizes. He sent this for the channel. He sent this for you. So everybody give Jeremy a round of applause. Go subscribe to Zippo Daily Fix. He has daily videos of his vintage rare Zippos and cool collectibles he has to do with Zippos. He has everything. He has a mass collection. His channel is really set up cool. They're all just quick clip videos. They're pretty sweet. So go check out Zippo Daily Fix. Thank him for this stuff. Subscribe to his channel and get ready for a bunch of giveaways that he sent in. Like I said, these aren't for me. These are for you guys. Take care, everyone.